research is driven from the situation that airport industry need to diversify the revenue sources and they need to generate more money from the non-aeronautical revenue. My name is Walanchalee Wattanacharoensi. I am Assistant Professor at the Tourism and Hospitality Management Division, Mahidol University International College. In this study, we investigate the airport experience by looking into the experiential component in the airport from the passenger perspective. The paper is published in Journal of Hospitality and Tourism Management, which is ranked among the top 20 out of 134 journals in tourism, leisure, and hospitality management under the Scopus database. When I did the study, I got supported from the three professors, Professor Marcus Schuckert, Professor Anne Graham, and Emeritus Professor Alison Dean. Research is driven from the situation that airport industry need to diversify the revenue sources and they need to generate more money from the non-aeronautical revenue. So the idea is that whether passengers would like to spend time and money at the airport, also depending on the airport experience. So that's why the airport experience became a hot topic in the airport industry for quite some time. And during the times of the study, this concept was still new. So that's why we decided to do the exploratory study in order to get to know more about what the concept means. And at the same time, we all know that airport is the first and the last place that connect the passengers to a destination. So by understanding how passengers connect the airport into the destinations is also one of our investigations. We started by defining the term airport experience by taking on the previous concept in consumer experience and tourist experience. Then we collect the passenger review from the Skytrack website. So we took the review of the passengers from the 15 airports using the technique called stratified sampling technique. In total, we got 15 airports out of 100 airports, generating over 600 reviews and over 3,000 frequently coding. We use this over 3,000 frequently coding for our text analysis by implementing the cross-tabulation analysis. The findings also show us that there are strong associations in the text when people talk about the process experience and the outcome of experience in terms of emotion, and mainly it leads to negative emotion. For example, experience like check-in, immigration, security create a lot of negative feelings like frustration, anxiety, and pressure on passengers. At the same time, these functional experience also lead to the perception and intention that they would choose to come back or avoid the airport again next time. The second finding that is interesting that we find is that the consumption experience also leads into a positive emotion experience. For example, when they actually enjoy the activities in the duty-free shopping or some other fun activities that the airport provides, the passengers will feel happy, joyful, and relaxed. But at the same time, we also find some negative in terms of association from the price of the items being sold in the airport with a negative experience in the sense that passengers will find it unfair when they're being charged over money. In terms of mental connection, we see that passengers see the airport as a representative of a destination because it is the first place and the last place that connect the passengers to a destination. But we also found something interesting which is deeper than that. In the passengers' mental image, they connect the tourism slogan and advertisement with the airport quality as well. So for example, in Thailand, we represent our country as the land of smile. Or in Singapore, they represent the country as the country of cleanliness, effectiveness, and innovation. This kind of quality and element, passengers will use this and evaluate that within their airport experience as well. So now we can see that passengers has a stronger mental connections between the airport experience and the tourist experience. So that gives also a very important implication to the airport management. Airport used to be the place where passengers see it as a place to change, to get on and get off the airplane, but now we see that the passengers connect the airport to a destination. So in that case, airport has slowly changing its roles and changing its image. We start seeing these evidences in some other airports, like for example, Changi Airport changed itself from just being mainly the airport to become an attractions or a tourist destination. So by understanding about these aspects, it is important for the airports to remain competitive and be able to provide a better airport experience to passengers. At the same time, the tourism authority and the airport management also have to bear in mind that the passengers also seek out for the good quality of the destinations within the airport as well. So this will also give the implications on the process improvement and also for the airport experience improvement within the airport terminal. Thank you.